The new Hanover County ABC Board is honored to award the Carousel Center $90,000.
My name is Amy Feith, and I am the Executive Director of Carousel Child Advocacy Center for New Hanover, Pender, and Brunswick counties. Carousel Child Advocacy Center is the Southeast North Carolina's sole nationally accredited child advocacy center, and our purpose in the community is to provide forensic interviews and medical evaluations for children who have been physically or sexually abused on one side, and that is to hold perpetrators of child abuse accountable wherever that's possible. And then on the other side, we are the place where those children are getting trauma treatment services and family advocacy so that we can help those kids do the hard work of healing and they can get back to the business of just being children. The ABC grant is going to be helping Carousel provide those very vital trauma treatment services. Obviously, there are a lot of ways that people cope with trauma. Sometimes those ways include using alcohol or other substances, whether they are illicit substances or prescribed substances, and our services are not immune to those. And so our services will be working with the ABC grant to make sure that kids that are getting those evidence-based treatment services can really kind of gauge and make sure that when those things are happening in their household, that we kind of are keeping a temperature on that and ensure that if the child is doing that hard work of healing, but their grown-up also has some risk, or there is risk of the grown-ups in the household to use alcohol or other drugs or prescription medications to excess or excessive use, that we're also connecting them with the right kinds of services within the community in order to ensure that the entire family unit has the best chance of success. And so this grant allows for us to expand our capacity by having additional therapists that are going to allow for us to see more children. My favorite part of trauma treatment and how you know it's having impact is when we get to celebrate a graduation from therapy, and you know that it is a tremendous experience because that child invites just about everybody in the neighborhood, everybody in the family. And my favorite graduation included bringing the family hamster in to experience graduation from therapy. And so you know that that is the greatest day when a child is bringing their pet hamster in to experience graduation from therapy.